akhange kufundwe esikolweni kanti nabo teacher akhange balibeke emsebenzini balila ngokuthi amaklasi ayathlayela. Ababelethi bazenzela amaklasi wesikhatshana ngemizamo yokubamba abo teacher esikolweni kodwa nabo teacher bathunyelwe bona bokusebenzela kesinye isikolo.
They've deserted the learners. Before school closed, it was about 4 to 5 weeks learners being alone at school. They were taken by the circuit manager to the circuit, and then after being at the circuit, they were brought to Radipisi, nearest high school, Radipisi High School.
Abafundi kunye nomkhandlo wengameli isikolo bathwenyekile ngemraro ebaselwa iCovid-19 esikolweni esi. Bathi kungaba mchapho omkhulu abo teacher nabangahlomba ukubuyiselwa kulesi sikolo.
We don't have teachers right now and we're supposed to be in class and learning and receiving good lessons and everything that we are going to write we must be learning.
Umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo uthi iMudumo High School sikole ngeze sakhona ukuzijamela sisodwa. Usomkhulumi uTitimalo Chweni uthi ababelethi ke bafaniselwa ngemizamo ohlanganisa isikolo esi nesinye.